What's up guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your DJI RS3 and balance it for your camera. And yeah, let's begin. So at first you need to set it up the right way, so I'm gonna build it for you. At first you're gonna take these two parts and put them together. Now let's put these two together, and you need to press this button right there, and yeah, it's fixed. And now to set up your camera you need to unlock these fuses right there. You can see it here. You just slide them back and then it's open in this position. So, of course, you need to put on this little thing on the ground of your camera. And then you need this part. This part goes right onto your gimbal at this location. You just slide it up from the front, and then you just use this screw to get it in the middle. So now we have everything. You can take your camera and just slide it onto your gimbal. So your camera is on your gimbal. Now we need to balance it. So at first we need to release the first fuse right there, and then you can see the camera is already able to rotate. Now what we want to do, we bring our camera up, and then we try to keep the camera stable in this position. For that we use this slider right there. So now you can see the camera is balanced out. We can go to the next one. Now we're at this. We need the camera to just look forward, and that's why we use this screw here. We just slide the camera back and forth, try to balance it out like that. And we can move on to the next motor. This at the back. You can see the camera is sliding all the way like that. We don't want that. So we need to slide this bar right here. So now into the last motor at the bottom, you just release this fuse. If we put the gimbal like that, we can see that the gimbal is not yet balanced rightly. You can see it's way better now, but not perfect. Now it's perfect. So you can see this green icon. This means your gimbal is very well balanced out. If you click on it, you can even see every axis, how much it has to activate the motors. And as you can see, it almost uses no energy, so the battery stays longer. So that's it. You set up your gimbal. I hope I could help you, and yeah, if you want to know how to set up the focus motor on the DJI RS3, check out my next video, and yeah, I hope I see you there. Bye!